this is Sarah GT and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna move my old orchids. So we bought this from last year, and when we bought this from the store, it's already have flowers. I am hoping that this year it will bloom again and have some flowers. So I'm trying to move it from the small pot. So what I have here, well, we bought this orchids food. It's Better Grow orchid food, and I have this orchid moss, and I'm gonna put this at the bottom. And I have here the potting mix for the orchids. It's the same brand. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this old roots. As you can see, this is the old roots, and I need to trim it, so before I move it to a new pot. So yeah, look at that. I think it's done. It's all clean. Yeah, this one is done. This one, that's some old roots in there that needs to be trimmed. This one's fine. This one needs some trimming. So what I'm planning is I'm gonna put this one to this kind of pot, and this kind of like small orchids. So I'm gonna put it on the white. We have here like the white pot. First I'm gonna put, yeah, I'm gonna put moss. I have my gloves here, so. I'm gonna put this at the very bottom. For the orchids. That one. This one. So I just put like half of it. So these are the little cups that holds the roots in there. So I'm hoping, yeah, that one, this one belongs to this. Yeah. So next is I'm gonna use the potting mix. So this is the potting mix for the orchids, looks like. I don't know if you can see it. So we're done with one. Okay, next one. So okay, we're done with our second one. Now we're gonna do the two other sets. This is the different pot, but it's still the same potting mix that we're gonna use. Look at that. This is the other one. There. Okay. So we're gonna try to put the moss again. So this one will hold the water. Okay. That's what it says here. This one. We're gonna start putting the potting mix for the orchids. Okay, we're done. Some keg. Okay, next one. So hopefully it will bloom. So today is, we're still in the month of April. It's still kind of cold. So hopefully maybe next month. I'm not really sure how long does the orchid bloom. So hopefully anytime soon we can see flowers from this orchids. So I'm gonna, okay, so I'm done. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, we're done for now for our orchids. So this is what my orchids looks like. So I'm gonna, so this one, I remember Tiffany used to play with this orchid last year, and that's what happens. So it's not a natural thing, it's just kids playing the orchids. So hopefully next month we can see flowers. As you can see, I think this is two different kind of orchids. So yeah, I'm hoping next few weeks we can see these orchids bloom, and I will give you an update for that. So Hello guys, this is Sarah GT and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna try to move this this indoor tree on new pot, and here comes the plant stand. So this is Majesty Palm. We got this from Home Depot. Looks very nice. So this is an indoor plants, and I'm gonna move this to this pot and see from there.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la